Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Playtest Cloud. First, navigate to the official Playtest Cloud website. You will find the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Click this button to proceed to the login page. Here, you will enter your registered email address and password into the designated fields. Double-check your entries for accuracy before clicking the Login button. This initial step is crucial for accessing your tester dashboard and available playtests. If you are a new user, the first step is to create an account. Click on the Sign Up or Register button on the Playtest Cloud homepage. You will need to provide a valid email address and create a strong password. After submitting your details, check your email for a verification link. Clicking this link confirms your account and allows you to complete your tester profile. Filling out your profile accurately helps match you with relevant playtests, maximizing your opportunities. Encountering login issues can be frustrating, but many are easily resolved. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Always double-check for any typos in your email or password. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can fix unexpected problems. If you continue to experience difficulties after trying these steps, reach out to Playtest Cloud's support team for personalized assistance. They are there to help you get back on track. To make the most of your Playtest Cloud experience, keep your tester profile current and comprehensive. Consistent participation in playtests can lead to more invitations. Always provide detailed, honest, and constructive feedback, as this is highly valued by developers. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and a quiet environment for testing. Following these best practices will enhance your chances of receiving more playtest opportunities and contribute to your success as a tester.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.